So to replace my fluorescent bulb, I went over to Home Depot, but I found all these interesting LED lights. So I ended up buying one of those. Suddenly the job got way bigger and the one drill bit I needed I didn't have, but Walmart had it and it was closer to me than Home Depot, so I didn't have to go back to Home Depot. So this job got way dirtier and way bigger than I planned. But I pushed through. Make sure you got good shoulders for this because mine were burning through the whole thing. GE and Sylvania used to be the big players in this lighting industry, and maybe they still are, but commercial electric seems to be dominating in innovation for the LED space. I really like this low profile LED design. I'll probably never have to replace this light again for as long as I own this house.
Insert the swing arms keyhole. Slide into the mounting bracket, please.